So hello, good day. Now we'll be doing trimming cargo holds using LCG. After our intermediate drop survey, we already distinguished 2310 trimming weight. After correction and reading drops, this is our present trim, 0.09 meters. In I want 0.03 meters. This is my target trim. Now hold number LCG, hold number 1 LCG, 198.32 from loading manual, and hold number 7 LCG, 44.52 meters, also from loading manual. Here we calculate using the current drop, our quarter mean 14.17. Take the MTC, the hydrostatic table, LCF 108.804. Then we take number 1 hold distance to the LCF. Here you can see in the drawing, there's our perpendicular, then distance to the LCF, then distance to hold number 1 here. So hold number 1, then we minus this one. Then we take the LCG, sorry, this one. So we take the distance from this to this. So here you can see D, then 108. Then this will be our distance, 89.52. You can see now here our target trim, change of trim will be target trim minus present trim, so 0.003 minus 0.09, so 0.06 meters. So here, weight to load cargo hold number 7, so we use the trimming weight times the D. D is the distance of the cargo hold here, then to the flotation point, plus MTC, plus change of trim, so times 100. Then here, divide with distance between cargo holds. Between cargo hold is here, number 1 and number 7 distance. So you take here distance from number 1, then distance from number 7, you minus, so remaining will be here distance. Then here you can see the weight 2310 times 81.52 or D plus